Hi there everyone, welcome to the workshop. Today we'll be working on this. 1 second. That's why I have gloves on. Oh! Yep. Very heavy, because it's made out of rock, stone, and hard things and whatnot. And it's solid.
Well, golly, what are you gonna do with him?
Anyway, looking at this round boy, I thought, well, jump in G Willikers, Pat. I just need to make something cool out of this thing. And what was the first thing I thought of that was cool? That perfectly pink round boy Kirby. And we will be making him into that. He is obviously a hippo, and a very, very good hippo too. He's a screamy hippo.
Oh, neato. But, why a hippo?
Awesome question, Max. Amazing question. I love it. And that's a perfect segue into
The Legend of the Hutto Hippo! You see, we live in the small town of Hutto in the state of Texas, just outside of the capital, Austin. This town was founded way back in 1876 by the Great Northern Railroad. The railroad came into town and went through a plot of land owned by James Emery Hutto, for whom the town is named.
Hey, Pat, this is a cool history lesson and all, but it doesn't explain the hippo.
Shut your felty mouth, Max. I'm getting to that.
How do I even eat? Oh, God.
Back to it. So the choo-choo peeps came into town, built their railroad tracks, and moved on to the next place. Cut to 1915, where the local legend tells us that a circus train stopped in town to deliver mail, get some fresh water, and tend to some of the animals.
Oh, was there a hippo on board? And the train was nice to everyone, and they made a statue of him?
No, you ignorant junk slut.
But one of their hippos escaped from the train and ran through town, until finally it plopped its plump ass down in the murky waters of a local creek. Thus ends the legend of the Hutto Hippo!
You say a lot of bad words, Pat.
They're called passion words, Max. And I'll thank you not to stifle my love of the gift of language. So that's the quick history of why this hippo exists here on my table today. It will break it in half, I swear to God. But it's fine. But yeah, also why these dudes are literally everywhere in town. Nearly every piece of property has one. Definitely for business, for sure. But people that like the town or even just want to show off a little pride for no reason at all, go out and buy a hippo at our local Chamber of Commerce that is literally a small little house that we just show up to and then we go like, I want that one, and we take it home. That's it. But this one, oh, this one is mine. And I want to do fun stuff with it. Fun, creative stuff. Dirty stuff. Not dirty stuff. Sorry, that got creepy.
Oh, to make it look like everybody's favorite pink suckling glutton.
Bingo. Let's get to the making.
And don't forget to wear your respirator, right, Max?
One of those will work. No, I swear to God. It'll work. You know, the more I think about this guy, because I've slept on it, this is a multi-day project, but the more I think about how he looks so far, it's okay. But it's just a paint job. And just a paint job doesn't do justice to what I want to do. So, instead of it just being a coat of paint, you know, because I was going to paint the inside of the mouth and, you know, call it done. But I forgot that the previous owner, I'm not the owner now, but the previous people of this house before I stuffed them in a closet, left a thing of concrete, a quickcrete, to be specific. So I need to go ahead and make some arms, some feet for this guy, because I have to be just a little bit extra apparently. So let's do that.
I've never worked, I don't know how this is gonna sound. I never worked with concrete before, which will probably be apparent, so some of the experts out there I know will shout at me. I don't care, I'm gonna try it anyway. This will be an experiment. It'll be fun. Yeah. The concrete's dried. I can do a little bit of sanding to shape stuff and smooth things out.
I think I got all the shaping that I wanted to on this. So now, paint time. Crusty. And this time, I'm going with a exterior paint. I'm using that. And the cool thing, we'd even labeled it Kirby Pink. What a nice paint. It's done!
It's disturbing.
No, it's not. It's cute!
Oh, whatever you say, man.
And we're gonna put them outside.
Wait, in public?
Well, yeah, we have to show our little town pride or whatever, I guess.
Well, neato. That was fun. Well, what's next?
Well, that's all for this episode.
Aw.
Well, don't worry, Max. If people like this, then we might be able to make more and, you know, we'll keep making some stuff and showing it off to people. So, you know, it's kind of up to them whether they want to see it or not.
Cool! I can't wait to make more stuff.
Maybe we even show how we made you.
You made me?
Well, yeah.
But how?
Well, one night, in a heat of passion, I found a Smurfette prostitute. And then one thing led to another, and you know, you were left on my front doorstep because she didn't want you anymore, and now you're here. Fun story, right? Yeah, super fun. Anyway, well folks, whether this is the best looking hippo / Kirby monstrosity we've ever seen or not, at least we tried. So, hopefully we'll see you again next time. Bye. Oh, stop freaking out.